So here, can you try this?
Miss
I'll
in
just,
or Python?
do you want to do this task one? It's easy, right?
Yeah, Miss, is it in pseudo? It says in pseudocode here.
Yeah, so you write, first you complete the Python program, then you do the pseudocode. It will be easy for you to convert. Or do you directly want the pseudocode?
No, Miss, we can do Python first.
Okay, so I'll do one thing. I'll just create a Google Colab sheet for the same. Yeah. So, 1 second. Cancel backspace. Okay. So I'll just copy the questions from this and we can just paste it here so that you have everything set up here itself. So these are just small code snippets. There's an image, but I'm not including the image. Okay. Can I add? No, it's an image. Okay. Next one in pseudocode. This is. I'm just commenting these lines so that they don't kind of glitch with your code. First, you do the Python code, and another one we will create for the pseudocode. Next one. Let's show this down. Okay. That's code. Task 4. Your ma'am is mostly taking only the pseudocode bit, right? Not the Python programming, Mariam?
Yeah, Miss.
Okay. It's easy, but then still, for you all, very first in the initial bit, if you do that, it kind of becomes a little difficult. Oh, string handling now itself, they have introduced, is it? Okay. So this includes entire paper 2 programming part.
Sorry, Miss, what?
This includes your entire programming section, right?
Yes,
Okay. Right. Oh, my bad. I have to share you the link, right, of the collab sheet. Just a second. Share. Copy. To also manage the access now. File menu. Save, copy in drive. Then yeah. I'm giving you the editor access, Mariam. Okay. Copy the link. So you can edit here itself. Yeah, there you go in the chat. 1 second. Yeah. I've just put up all the questions for you. So it's easy. Yeah.
Okay.
Right. You've got it, Mariam. Just check. You can just share it.
Okay, Miss.
Right. Okay, the first one program in pseudocode, enter the following, okay? Create a program that asks the user for first name and last name. So declare a variable, enter key, accept the first name and the last name. So for first name, give a prompt, enter the first name. For surname, you give a prompt, enter the last name, okay? . Yeah, Mariam.
A print.
How do you accept an input from the user? Which function we use? Input, right?
Yeah.
So, right, first name is equal to, no, not like this. Are you writing directly the pseudocode, Mariam?
No, sir.
If you're doing the program, lowercase. Yeah. Make sure you write everything in lowercase. First name. Right. We use input function, right? So write in input, double quotations, enter the first name. Right. Go to the end of the line. Next. Can there be a space between the two words when you're declaring a variable in Python?
And this one?
Right. No, right? If you want, you can use separator as underscore or put a hyphen. You cannot have space. Yeah.
Okay.
First underscore name. Equal to input. It's better to use underscore than hyphen, Mariam. Now it's okay for this program, there onwards. Yeah.
Alright.
Right. Input parenthesis, enter the last name or surname.
Oh, last. Sorry. Okay, and then print
Display the answer in a full sentence, right? Now they are expecting you to display the answer in which pattern?
in the full sentence. Oh, both.
Yeah. So it has to be the first name is dash and the surname is dash. Okay. So
Right.
output should be the first name is
Dash.
a dash as in you have to put the value that is there in the variable. So give a space
Oh, okay.
after
Right.
quotations, comma. No. After quotations, right? Give a space there after quotations, put a comma, write the variable name. I think you've forgotten Mariam because of the gap.
And
Yeah.
then I
Comma.
do it in the same line.
How have you written the variable name? Please check there. It's first hyphen name, right? After first, there is a hyphen sign.
Sorry.
Yeah. Put a comma, comma. Then quotations.
Um.
And the message is what? And the surname is.
Oh, okay.
And space. The space surname is. No, when you write surname, Mariam, whatever you write in quotations, right, will be displayed as it is. So you don't have to put sir hyphen name. It's not the variable, right? The value that we're trying to print. It's just the word. Surname as one word, yeah. Is. After quotation, after is, give a space.
And then
Yeah.
what's it called? Surname. Okay. And then that's it.
Yeah. Should be fine.
Okay. I think I did an error here.
I think wait, remove the one second. Remove the hyphen there. First name and last name. Just remove the hyphen. Above also. Yeah. On below also, can you just do the same when you're printing